Imagine a token hiding in plain sight, undervalued, while the charts scream a golden opportunity. That's Movement Crypto, and it's trading at a bargain right now. My research shows Fibonacci levels screaming support, RSI flashing oversold signals, and big names like Trump's World Liberty Finance piling in. This isn't just noise. It's a DeFi gem with Mars shot potential. The problem? You might miss the rocket if you don't act fast. In this video, I'm unveiling why Move is a steal, why now's your moment, and how to grab gains before it blasts off. Don't blink. Stay locked in for one more terrific crypto playbook. Welcome to Crypto Yield Pro, where we unearth the next crypto giants. Today, we're laser-focused on movement, ticker move, and trust me, this one's got my full attention. If you're new here or a seasoned hodler, you're in for a treat. So, what's Move all about? Dive into their website, and you'll find it's a Layer 2 powerhouse built on MoveVM. Think secure, DeFi apps, NFT ecosystems, and scalability that could outpace the heavyweights. And what about Move Token? It's the engine likely driving governance and staking in this ecosystem. I've dug deep into their Twitter and they're dropping fire. Attackathons with $500,000 rewards, a gauntlet partnership for DeFi security, and whispers of big moves. This isn't some flashy meme coin. It's a project with serious backbone. Stick with me, because we're about to reveal why it's trading at a discount you can't ignore. Let's get our hands dirty with the charts, because numbers don't lie, and this Move daily chart is screaming opportunity. As of March 7th, 2025, the price is sitting at 45 cents, down from a $1.15 peak earlier this year. That's a brutal pullback, but here's the gold. Fibonacci retracement levels are our roadmap. We're hovering near the 40 cents range, prime support where buyers swarm. The 0.618 Fibonacci level at $1 is our next target if momentum kicks in. Now, check the Fibonacci RSI indicator. It's in oversold territory, but those green bars are creeping up. That's momentum shifting. The 55-day exponential moving average at 60 cents is overhead, but we're clawing back. This setup? It's a textbook undervaluation signal. Never financial advice, but if you're eyeing a dip to buy, this is your moment. Don't let it slip. Charts are one piece, but Twitter is talking and I've got the intel. DeFiTracer's tweet calls Move a sleeper hit with rock-solid fundamentals. Straight fire for any trader. CryptoBull 360 and Suzzy DeFi are riding the same wave, forecasting a 120% surge if it breaks resistance. And here's the big one. Cointelegraph drops Move alongside XRP and Solana is gaining momentum after White House invitations. When the news heavyweights take notice, you know the tide's turning. If you're feeling this energy, please smash that like button. So, why am I pounding Move on the table? Let's connect the dots. Technically, we're at a perfect entry. Fibonacci support, oversold RSI, and a volume explosion. That's not random. That's whales and smart money piling in. Fundamentally, movement's cooking. MoveVM security edge and that gauntlet partnership could turbocharge adoption for DeFi and NFTs. CoinMarketCap shows Move's market cap at $1.15 billion, way below its potential given the $2.6 billion peak. The White House Crypto Summit could be the spark. Momentum's building fast. Before you dive in, let's be real. Crypto's a wild beast and Move's no exception. Prices can crash, markets can flip, and volatility is always lurking. But here's your edge. Knowledge. Keep an eye on Movement's Twitter for updates. Track CoinMarketCap and TradingView for live moves, and don't FOMO with all your capital. If you're trading, set a stop loss to protect your stack. If you're new or want to sharpen your skills, I've got something for you. My DeFi ebook, Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide, breaks down how to conquer this space like a pro, whether you're stacking sats or chasing altcoins. Grab it via the link in the first pinned comment. It's a game changer, and it helps fuel this channel's daily insights. Now let's zoom out and dream big. If Movement nails its vision, and their roadmap screams they will, this could be a DeFi titan. Move MoveVM security could draw developers like moths to a flame, and those NFT integrations? Pure gold for the ecosystem. My research shows Trump's World Liberty Finance dropping $1.45 million into Move per Ash crypto. That's a massive vote of confidence. Imagine this. You grab Move at 45 cents today, and in months it's back to $2 or higher. That is math if the hype holds. This is your shot to get in early before the normies flood in and prices moon. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro for more plays like this. You don't want to miss the next gem, right? Alright fam, we've laid it bare. Move is undervalued, the setup's pristine, and the timing spot on. This could be your ticket to serious gains if you believe in the thesis. I've loved breaking this down for you. Let's grow this community together. Drop a comment. What's your play with Move? Curious about past winners? Check my last video. It's linked in the card on screen, packed with heat. Your support keeps Crypto Yield Pro delivering daily gold. Let's stack those wins. See you tomorrow in the next one.